what we want to do. Any suggestions from your end?
How about unlocking abundance?
Hmm.
You know?
Abundance. Okay,
Mhm.
fine.
Since we are
Financial?
connecting with the universal or the ocean or the, yeah, financial
Hmm.
or the nature, right? So
Hmm.
abundance is that, right? We
Okay.
can be accessing and we can be sourcing, and the whole universal forces are working for me,
Hmm.
and yeah, all of that.
In fact, I attended one of the teachers that you recommended me, the
Mm-hmm.
financial expert, and he actually got a very beautiful point before we carry on that, on our
Mm-hmm.
healing. He said, we stop ourselves from having that abundance. Why? Because we feel, what will I do if I have the abundance? What will I
Okay.
do? I'll get bored, They're like, if I
Oh,
will have
yeah.
nothing to do. He was
Mm-hmm.
like, how about eating or having lots and lots of family time and just relaxing or going on a vacation and,
Mm-hmm.
having breakfast with your wife or with your husband or with your kids and going on long drives. Always, every day is a Sunday. So he made it very beautiful. And then I realized that, yes, sometimes we love this rut.
Exactly. You identify with your own problem so much, no? The Koop Manduk, as in frog in the well thing comes up, and you just don't know anything other than that, and not only that, you don't want to know, right?
Yes,
You don't
yes.
want the solution. You give them solution they don't want.
You
So then
They
what?
don't want it. They
I will feel
identify with
empty
it.
without
They're
that.
like, hey,
Yeah,
what
that's what.
is my sense of identity?
Mhm.
If I will only enjoy, then the world will say, "Yaar, or she is only enjoying." What is the work? Because we associate ourselves with the work we do. You
Correct.
know,
Mm.
I'm AVP, I'm this, I'm that, I'm such a hardworking person, so busy all the time. I'm in front of the laptop and running around. So much of travel is part of my job. I don't know why we are in that rut, that identity crisis. But yes,
Mm.
financial abundance, we can do that. Let's do that.
Mm.
Let's
Mm.
do
Mm.
that.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you hear the music?
Yes.
Okay. So I just want the divine to flow through me and let's guide all of us.
Yes.
So we can keep our hand on our heart,
Mm-hmm.
put a smile on your face so that our manifestations become more powerful because when we are smiling, we're in the positive space, we vibrate better, our frequency gets more wonderful, and we attract better things in our life. Let's magnetize each cell of our body to attract wonderful opportunities and absolute financial abundance. Financial abundance wherein the money keeps coming to my bank account passively without any stress, without my even doing anything, without my checking my bank account. And I'm only doing what I really like to do without being bothered about the money side of it. Because money flows into my life as my breath flows into my being. When I breathe more, I get more. When I slow down, I breathe long. And so is the money. Whatever is my situation, my money comes accordingly or rather unconditionally. All my bank accounts are abundantly full of this beautiful currency. 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 80,000, 1,60,000, 3,20,000, 6,40,000, 13 lakhs, 26 lakhs, 42 lakhs, 84 lakhs, 1.6 crores, 3.2 crores, 6.4 crores, 12.8 crores, 24 crores, 48 crores, 120 crores, 240 crores, 480 crores, 1,600 crores. The money keeps increasing, and I am just relaxed and calm. My bank balance is forever compounding and ever increasing. I experience all the beautiful things of this world along with my loved ones, my family, my extended families, my friends. I'm the most loving giver. I give a lot of gifts to my friends, neighbors, relatives. Whatever they think, I just give it to them. They're amazed. How can someone give so much? I have so much, so I give so much. And I enjoy with my family. I smile all the time. My family prospers. We travel around the world by air, by cruise. We experience beautiful locations, most hygienic and beautiful properties. And it's not only me, my whole family, friends, extended families. I invite people over. I extend beautiful invitations wherein we all spiritually advance and bond together. They also experience something for a lifetime. The magic has a cascading effect. I offer love to them and shower them with wonderful experiences, and they shower more 10 people like me, and the whole world celebrates life because my bank account is forever increasing. All I need to do is to breathe. With every breath, my bank account goes double. And I don't doubt it. I'm not greedy. In fact, I'm a contributor, a loving contributor. My bank account is a reflection of my own energy. All I need to do is to look after my energy, my stability, my mental well being, my calmness, my happiness. If I'm calm and happy, if I'm stable, then my bank account has got no other option but to increase. Cash flows into my life all the time. Money is forever increasing while I am spending abundantly. And while I spend it, I know I'm contributing to others too. I spend money beautifully on various things because I want to help those people. I run my ads. I give money to my people who are running my YouTube, my social media. I spend in lakhs and crores because I know it'll help them. And they're doing so much service, not only to me, but to people who will get my knowledge. I spend money on various courses to people who can further not only enhance my knowledge, but work with my energy, uplift my energy. I give up abundantly during my courses, during my YouTube channels, on my live sessions, because I want to contribute. I want to reach to maximum people and make an impact. And while I'm making impact and just focused on contribution, abundance flows into my life. Ocean of wealth, which I can further use and help everyone around. So everybody wants to work with me. Everybody wants to be my caretaker because I take care of them. I give the most handsome salaries. I give people who work for me much above the market standards. Because my money is forever increasing because of them. And otherwise also because of my own mental well-being. I'm calm and relaxed. I work out of energy. My own energy changes my money situation. Every now and then money keeps getting credited. I don't even know where it is coming from. There are so many sources of income. 20,000, 1,60,000, 4,80,000, 50,000, 1,70,000. The money is just getting credited all night while I'm sleeping. While I'm sleeping, I don't worry if I'll breathe while I'm sleeping. I just breathe. I know I will breathe whole night, even when I'm not in my senses. And that's just like that. I don't see my bank account while I'm sleeping. I know it is increasing. When I open my eyes next day, I know it could be anywhere between 2 crores to as many crores. It increase every day, every night. Everything is a possibility. This universe is ever expanding. And there's abundant for you, me, everyone. All of us can have this beautiful life. Because this universe is ever expanding. The Big Bang, remember? The Big Bang is happening. We are part of that. The universe is ever expanding, and so are the beautiful experiences. And so is the money in this world. And while we are getting abundance from the universe, we are able to look after ourselves and our family, loved ones, people around us in the best way. Our health, mental health, emotional health, physical health, it's absolutely perfect because there's no lack. We are eating nutritious food, the best food, which is best for our body. We're consuming the best, which is best for our mind, emotions. We're kind to each other because we know abundance is filling each one of us. There is no hiding. The more I share, the more abundance I get. I know that. Why should I hide? The more I share, the more abundance. The more I give, the more I get. If I give 50 rupees, I get 50,000, sometimes 5 crore, because of the good karma I got from that 50 rupees. The exchange value is phenomenal. The universe is very kind on all of us. We're sitting on this beautiful abundance, which is ever expanding and more than enough. The enough is not a word in the dictionary of abundance from the universe. It's never enough. It's too much. The ocean is too much, and so is the abundance. And with this abundance, you can do anything. It keeps just growing. You keep giving, and it keeps growing. The more I give, the more I receive. When I breathe, I do not stop the breath that goes out by fearing that no, I will accumulate this breath. I will not let any breath to go out. But the rule is breath comes in, breath goes out. And thus the beautiful flow of energy keeps happening. And same as with money. I keep giving and I keep getting back many, many folds. Every hour, every minute, every second, all my bank balances are exponentially increasing. Visualize this increase in your bank balance. Tuck, 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 tuck. Continuous SMS. Credit, 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 credit. So much credit. Wow. People are around asking, how much did you get? I don't even know. There's so much credit. All my SMSs are full of credit, 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 credit. And I just know all I have to do is to take care of my mental health, my emotional health, my energy, my smile, my happiness, and my bank balance keep increasing, keep increasing, keep increasing. I keep myself happy and I keep everyone happy. I fulfill all my dreams. And even if I remotely get to know if this is that person's dream, I give it to them because I have so much abundance. No problem. I give my knowledge, I share my abundance, I share my love, I share my fortune, and I get only love in return. Lots and lots of blessings, and my abundance is forever increasing in my bank account. Soak in this abundant energy, calm yourself down, keep smiling so that whatever we just took in gets manifest in record time. Just now. Does not take time to manifest anything. Remove all the barriers. Believe in it and it's yours. Abundance is yours. Just let it happen. Neutralize your heart chakra. You can rotate your hand around your heart chakra and let this beautiful feeling. Get stabilized in your body, in your subconscious mind. Feel calm around it. Feel confident around it. And take it, this energy all around your body. You can move your hand. Let your subconscious mind be very comfortable with this kind of abundance, this kind of financial security. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes.
Wow, that was fabulous.
Right?
It covered everything possible and it was crazy, huh? Just
And it
be
was nothing.
mindful
I wasn't there.
you were there.
I was not there.
And you're
It,
actually seeing
nothing.
how it's moving, waves wise. It is reaching every aspect possible.
It was
In,
universe talking. I
yeah, the
surrendered
breath
because
concept, the explanation, the ocean,
the
amazing,
Big
amazing.
Bang.
Yeah.
I couldn't. Papi, I swear to God, I didn't speak. It was the universe talking.
Mm-hmm.
And because you said, let's do that, I actually came with this
Mm-hmm.
surrender that whatever
Yeah.
she will say, I'll do that. And then I was like, oh, she's given me a big task today because somewhere,
But see,
I
it
wanted
went so
this
wonderfully. It's just crazy.
surrender
Okay.
to the universe, and
Mm-hmm.
it happened so wonderful. It was
Yeah.
so magical. I know that. And I'm so confident now. I feel it's so easy.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It was a cool flow.
Full
Just
flow.
be peaceful. Yeah. Feel the power, feel powerful, and the wonderful happens. That's the formula,
Amazing.
right?
Yeah. Thank you so much for inspiring me and giving this.
Yeah.
You really, really tell me the best things. I will ask you
Cool.
only every day.
I know.
This is what we needed.
This is nice, Jugalbandi. That's
Totally,
happening.
totally, totally.
Keep up. And yes, we'll spread it more and more.
Absolutely,
With that
absolutely.
frequency, it has nowhere to go. It has to spread.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, cool. All
Yeah.
the best to us.
Yes, in fact, I've bought in everything. Our YouTube guy, our friends, our families. Everybody is
Everybody has
getting money. Everybody is getting money,
ready.
and mine is increasing. I'm sleeping, and the money is increasing. I actually felt it.
Yeah,
Whoever I know, I was giving like this. Take it because
yes.
mine is
I was
increasing.
feeling like a fountain, you
I
know?
know. The other person is saying,
Yeah.
"Oh, you can't give us." I'm like, "What is the problem? Just take it. One bungalow, take it.
More
One
than anybody can
BMW,
imagine
take it.
giving.
I'm giving. It's increasing.
See, we are
Exploding.
not thinking of getting. We are thinking of not only giving, we are thinking of just letting it, all
Yeah,
over the place as much
yeah,
as possible.
yes.
That's
The
the best
frequency
place
is in
to be.
giving.
Mm-hmm.
The frequency believes the giving part. The moment you're giving ready, it flows in. It says, "Okay, fine, I'm coming to you because you're ready to give now."
Just be the magnet and you're good to go.
Yes.
Right?
Great. Thank you so much for magnetizing me.
It was amazing. Yes, yes. It was awesome. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so
Right
much.
then.
All
All right.
right. Bye
For today.
bye. See you.
Yes.
Bye.